Bandra, the land where Bollywood began to breathe. Before the skyscrapers and seaside cafes, it was the silent charm of these lanes that gave birth to cinema's golden dreams.
Every old studio here has a story of cameras that rolled, songs that echoed, and stars who found their first spotlight.
From yesteryear legends to new age digital creators, Bandra has always been home to talent that defined entertainment.
It's not just about the fame, it's about the legacy that inspires every dreamer who walks these streets.
Welcome to Bandra Diaries. From Bandstand sea breeze to Pali Hills quiet charm, Bandra is the heart where Mumbai star live and breathe.
And yet, what's special is how truly they'll blend in. You'll see a superstar grab a coffee at Candies or walking their pet at Carter Road.
They aren't just stars, they're neighbors, and Bandra treats them like one of its own.
That's the Bandra spirit. No paparazzi needed. They make people and places feel like home. What truly defines Bandra stars isn't just their fame, it's their heart.
From charity events to mentoring young artists, they have kept alive a beautiful tradition, giving back to the city that shaped them.
This is where fame turns into kindness and glamour turns into goodwill.
Because Bandra isn't just about success stories, it's about shared dreams and community. Bandra's heart beats not just through its lanes, but through its kitchens. Today we are here at Jago, where freshly brewed coffee, fresh sandwiches, pastries and fresh bagels fill the air with magic.
Every lane here has a hidden gem. From cozy seaside cafes to age-old eateries tucked between heritage bungalows.
Bandra's food scene is a blend of nostalgia and newness. You will find everything here. Goan curries, Portuguese flavors, Irani chai, and those trendy smoothie bowls which everyone loves. And I like my chai piping hot.
And what makes it really special is the vibe. You could be eating on the street or at a high-end restaurant and still feel just as home.
That's Bandra, where food isn't just about taste, it's about togetherness and bonding. sun sets over Bandra, the real magic begins. The conversations, the laughter, and the energy. And it comes all alive here at Eddie's.
And this place has now become our go-to for celebrations because Bandra is best experienced with good food, good music, and fabulous company.
And here's to the dreamers, stars, and every person who makes Bandra shine brighter.
Welcome to Eddie's.
Hi.
Is this your first time here?
No, we're actually here a lot.
A lot. Okay, and how do you like it?
We love it.
Okay, now let's have some fun.
I'm stressed.
Read the question out loud first.
What's the weirdest thing that's ever turned me on? My principal shouting at me.
Okay. Seriously?
Yeah?
Your own
Or
car.
you pick up your card and answer.
Would you rather kiss the person to your left or to the right of you? Right, just because I know her for a long time.
Less awkward.
Imagine kissing you, the person who's interviewing you.
Yeah, imagine doing that. Huh?
Okay, fine, we'll answer.
Spill out your best sex story with details. If you are a virgin, ask someone to spill theirs.
I'm a virgin with 2 kids. Now this one card, all 3 of you answer.
Okay, fine.
Okay, all 3 of you give your answer. Done.
Live in a marriage.
Live in.
Why?
Marriage is like
Too much responsibility.
too much responsibility and like it doesn't seem very fun. Like maybe I'm wrong, but it doesn't seem fun.
In today's age, it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I think I would also pick Live-In because I can't imagine that kind of a responsibility right now.
Is it now or is it later also?
No, actually right now.
Right now.
Yeah, I think right now live-in for me also. I just feel like it's just paperwork at the end of the day. Like if you don't have that paperwork, it's the same thing.
And like,
Have you ever loved 2 people at one time?
Maybe.
What's your take on men calling women gold diggers?
I don't think any woman is gold.
Yeah, if anything, I know a lot of men who are gold diggers.
Gold, like what money are these men talking about?
Yeah.
They work a 9 to 5 job. Relax.
Yeah, the men who are calling women gold diggers are the men with the least gold to offer.
Exactly.
With the least gold to offer. Men who actually are secure would not be saying that.
Absolutely.
Okay, now on a very serious thing, you guys know what's happening with the dogs, stray dogs and everything.
Yeah.
So what's your take on that?
I was happy to see that the Supreme Court made a faster judgment that
So many people have rallied for like things to improve, and I'm glad that like this is one of those instances where it seems like there is hope that like maybe that the stray dogs, will be saved and have a better future. So I hope that happens. But we all love dogs.
yeah, we love
We
dogs.
love dogs also. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Have a nice one. As we wrap up this episode, remember,
Behind the glamour lies the warmth of a community that never stops shining.